Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto zoom feature, which will automatically zoom the map in and out for an optimal view adjusted to your actual speed on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings, which is the third button. And then click on Route Planning and Navigation. Scroll down until you find the auto zoom feature that you can enable by tapping on this button on the right side of the screen. You can automatically zoom the map in and out for an optimal view adjusted to your actual speed. If you want to disable it, just tap on the same button and then it will be turned off automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.